let's learn more about settlement discount. So we'll be learning in this module that how to journalize, how to pass journal entry for settlement discount. The scenario is cash received from debtor is 114 in full settlement of his account 120. So we were supposed to receive 120 from the debtor, from the customer, who is paying us 114 in full. So how much cash we are receiving? Yes, 114 cash account debit and debtor's account credit. And how much we have lost? Yes, we have lost. It is a loss. We have lost 6 rupees, okay, which is 120 minus 114 equal to 6 rupees. We have lost 6. So this 6 that we have lost is our discount allowed, is our expense, okay, should be debited. And debtor account is credited. Well, since it is an accounting entry which is giving us debtor credit 2 times, we can combine it together so that our cash account is debit and discount allowed is debit with 114 and 6, and debtor's account is credit with 120. Okay. Second scenario. Cash paid to creditor 95 after deducting a discount of rupees 5. So here the thing is the cash is paid to creditor 95. 95 is the amount that we have paid to creditor and 5 has been deducted as discount. So it means we were supposed to make payment of 100. We have paid 95 and the discount is 5. Okay. So here we go. We are making payment to creditor, paying cash. Cash being our asset is decreasing, therefore should be credited. And creditor being liability is also decreasing. Since we have paid to the creditor, the liability has been decreased. Always recall your rules of debit and credit. Let me write here. It's a liability, credit nature, it's decreasing, therefore we are giving this debit effect to this creditor's account. Okay, well, so creditors debit and cash credit, and the second entry for this rupees 5 is we are paying less. Look, we were supposed to pay 100, paying 95. We are saving 5. So this saving is our income. This saving is our income. So discount received being income should be credited and creditor should be debited. So it would be, after combining these 2 entries, creditor account would be debited with 100, cash will be credited with 95, and discount will be credited with 5. So you can see that summation of debit is equal to sum of credit. Now let's discuss settlement term through an invoice. Always remember that settlement terms are written at the bottom of the invoice. This is a sample invoice with us. We have invoice number, we have date, we have business name, customer name, okay, and this is the description that we have sold fan, air conditioner, room cooler, and this is the gross amount 90, and from this 90,000 trade discount 9,000 we have subtracted, so that the net amount is 81,000. This 81,000 is subject to this settlement term. So if you will interpret this invoice, it would be that the invoice price is 81,000, which is the discounted price, which is subject to the settlement term 210 net 30. That if this invoice is paid within 10 days of the date of invoice. Date of invoice is 19th December 2000X9. So if this 81,000 is paid before 10 days of 19th December, which is like 29th December, 2% discount will be offered. Otherwise, this net amount would be required to pay. So accounting entries in the books of seller, who is John Smith Traders, would be for sale 81,000, debtor account debit and sales account credit. And for if this is settled before 29th December, for settlement, the cash would be received 79,380. Discount allowed, which is in fact our loss, would be debited, and debtor account would be credited. Look, our debtor was of 81,000. Now there is no more debtor because transaction has been settled. And because of this settlement, we have borne a loss of 1,620, which is 2% of the total amount. So this is our loss. Remaining amount that we received is increasing our cash asset. That's why it is debited. So loss is debit, cash asset is debit, and debtor asset is reducing. We have received from this receivable, so it is being credited. But like if it is settled after 29 December, then we will receive full amount of 81,000 in cash. So debtor will be credited with 81,000 with the full amount of invoice. Well, in the books of buyer, the customer who is the star trader, purchase is for 81,000. Okay, it's fine. If it is being paid by the buyer before 29th December, creditors who were 81,000 will be reduced with this debit effect. Look, it was credited before, it would be debited, creditors reduced, and cash payment, this much cash is being paid, asset reduced, and discount received is our saving now. Being an accountant of star trader, look this transaction as you are an accountant of the star trader, you are paying cash 79,000 cash credit and enjoying a discount which is your income. But if you settle this transaction after 10 days, then 2% discount is not available for you. Then you have to pay in full 81,000. Creditors will be debited and cash will be credited. Okay? So the important tips to remember in this module are that discount allowed is an expense. It's a loss. And discount received is an income. It's a saving. And amount in front of cash would always be the amount that is net of discount. Remember, that is net of discount, because the full amount will be appearing in front of debtor or creditor, and the net of discount amount would be appearing in front of cash. I'm talking about the compound entry for discount. Thank you.